Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, most people are not mindful about interlocking or relocking hair, but you have to be mindful. You have to be cautious about it. I'm going to show you how to interlock, and then you don't see any line, or you don't see so much difference, but you just see freshness and gorgeous looking of the strands. I think you can already see what I've done, what has been done here. The strands are neat, the roots are very, very neat, and the scalp is neat. So this is the best way of interlocking braids. It could be passion twist, like these ones are passion twists. It could be any other type of braids, double strand or threes. It's the same thing that you can apply, the same knowledge, the same trick you apply. Don't forget your gel, as always tell you. Gel helps this hair to be in the same place. It helps in gripping, the safe gripping of hair. Remember, this is the most safe way of locking. So when you apply your gel, this is what you do. Be mindful when applying. Apply it thoroughly so that you make sure the hair is collected in the same place. And then we are going to go around with locking. You see behind here, the hair has tended to be merged. So here I may not go around, I may just lock trace. But remember, I told you, you go east or you go west and then north. That is if the hair is too much grown up, if the growth is too much, that's what you do. But I'm going to show you the round thing. Just be with me to the end of this video. I want you to be keen here. Now this is what they call the round interlocking. You first go that way, then you go this way. You can lock like thrice, or actually 4 times. But this normally happens when the growth is too much. But it's the best way. And mind you, don't lock this hair before it's grown like too much. When the growth is little, it's going to hurt her. You see, you can't even get to know. You can't even know where I've ended if you didn't see me locking, because there's no any gap here. This is the best way of interlocking, or using the west and north system or trick. We are still round interlocking or round locking of our hair. The use of this thing this way, this system is to help you not show in line in her strands, and then also it is good the hair will not break. It's a protective way of interlocking. Now this is the round thing. Again, I want to show it to you. I'm going to lock this here. You know, the volume of the growth is too much. How it is grown down here. So I'm going to interlock it 4 times or 3 times. I want you to see keenly how I'm going to do it. After applying the gel, as we have to do, the hair is gripped together. You can see very well. And then this is how we are going around with this hair. Remember, you end in the direction where you want the hair to go, to face. So if you're going to, because here I'm at the front part, I want this hair to go behind. So I have to end in this direction where the hair goes behind. I have to give it that allowance. It has to go behind. So this is the way round we go. I start. That's one. I go. Just move round. And make sure I end in the direction I want to, where I want the hair to go, to be. This is the 3rd time I'm interlocking this. And then the very last time, this is the very last time, the last interlocking. I want my hair to go behind, so this is where I'm ending it. Yeah, make sure your client doesn't feel any pain at all. So there's no pain, but the hair is just making what I want it to make. You see the strand? remember we are doing repair, so there are some strands that are so faulty that you can't hold on deal with them. Like now you can see this one, this is so faulty. We are going to replace it. So I told you the other day how to undo passion twist. You trace where the hair ends. Our hair ends here. So you're cutting here. We are removing this old one to replace it with a new. These two strands are going to remove. Remember, there are different ways of starting passion twist. When I did this hair, I used a different way, and now I'm using another way of first locking the hair because we are already making repair. If I don't lock this, if I use the other method of starting the passion twist, it will not be uniform with these other strands. So what I'm going to do, I have to first lock this hair. This is another system. If you're in a rush, in a hurry, your class is going, maybe traveling where he's going so fast, doesn't have enough time, you can use this method. It's so quick. First lock the hair alone, and then you add in the braids. Here I'm done with the locking. Then also let me lock this one and show you how they do it in this way. Without just starting it, but starting it with a lock. Remember I told you in some video that this era, people don't like feel pain and people like fast things. So I've seen a lot of wearers are using the other hook to do the hair locking, but crochet is better because this crochet takes all the hair into these small parts. So it avoids pain, it avoids straining the hair. So you should put that into consideration. You have to be creative. So after looking my hair, I am going to add kinky, a little kinky. I told you that I'm going to go using this kinky. I shouldn't repeat myself. This is our kinky. I'm going to place it into my locked hair before I add on the passion twist braids. If you go into the previous video, the tutorial of how to make passion twist, if you want to know the advantage of using kinky. So here put in my kinky. I've applied it to the hair. Then what I'm doing next is getting my strands. These are my strands here. These are the strands. I'm going to add it to my hair. Hope you're following along. I give you an applause from wherever you are watching from, in America, in Canada, in Europe, everywhere, in Africa. I salute you so much. So after adding my braids, as you can see, as you're already seeing, I am starting right away to twist. I told you put in some energy because this hair has to fit in with the braids. So here the first you don't have to be loose, because when you be loose the hair will be left outside and this will lead it to break. So here we go with our twisting. Just follow along because there is still another thing I want you to learn about this. So when you see that your hair has ended, the real hair, the natural hair has ended, then you loosen. You start now this other type of twisting. This is a type of twisting. And don't forget to use scissors. I haven't talked about scissors, but automatically you know that if you're a hairdresser or if you're a hair lover or maybe you work on your hair you on yourself, you don't have to forget scissors with you. They have to be involved always. Because the strands have to be neat. So here you make use of the scissors by chopping the dead hair. These are braids. I'm not cutting your hair. I'm not chopping your hair. It's braids. Passion twist braids. You have to make it neat by using the scissors. Pair of scissors. Then cut off the end. You see? And then don't forget to look it one more time. It has to be in from these other strands. Hope you can see. Is there a difference? This is our ending. Thank you so much for guys who followed along. This is how we do our passion twist repair. You can see it's very fresh, looks very new. Someone that hasn't seen my client who are Welsh, they may think she has just done new hair. Looks so beautiful. How do you feel after looking? You can say something. You feel okay? Not pain at all? Say hi to my viewers out there in the world. Yeah, I appeal to you, if you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe for more videos coming up on this channel. If you have already subscribed, please share this video, because a lot more is coming. People who want to learn hair, you can go into the comment section if you want to learn different hairstyles. Comment about what you want me to do for you. And of course, I thank you so much. See you in next video. I am JK as usual. I love you so much.